Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to use Paw Patrol filter on the TikTok. So if you want to do this trend, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application and log into your account. After that, you have to click on the search on the right top, and right here you have to search for the Paw Patrol character, and once you will search for it, multiple filters will be appear here. So as you can notice, Paw Patrol opening theme, you can click on it and add it to favorite for future videos. So this is basically the filter you are searching about. So simply you have to click on the use this sound and filter, and you can easily create videos on it. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.